How are you guys doing? And welcome to another episode of Cooking in a Cave. I'm Chef Jarvis.
And I'm Chef Jimmy.
Today we're excited. We're going to be making a beef teriyaki ramen. We are excited about today's episode because we decided to do something that you guys may not have thought of. We went shopping in our pods and we found some really great items. We picked up some beef jerky. We picked up some ramen noodles. We picked up 2 different types of kombucha, which is an organic juice. We picked up some pods and some edamame. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our beef jerky and we're going to rehydrate our beef jerky. We're going to take our 2 different types of kombucha, about 2 ounces of each. And with this, you can allow it to sit 5 or 10 minutes, or you can let it sit for up to 24 hours. The longer you let it sit, the more hydrated it becomes, the more flavors that it takes on. So after you get your beef jerky soaking, then you have a pot of water and we're gonna get our ramen noodles going. Now again, this is just the same ramen noodles we had before. We'll be able to open up our pack and dump in our pack. And if you wanted to just use the regular ramen that you see, absolutely fine. This just comes with a little bit more vegetables and some other things that add a little bit of depth into your food. It's starting to look and smell good already.
So now that we got our noodles going, we're going to go back to our beef jerky that's been soaking. It's got a little bit of life back in it now. Take it out of the kombucha juice. Now that it's done soaked up all that flavor, run through and we're just going to take a nice little chop to it. Now that we have the beef chop, we're just going to throw it right into our pot with the boiling noodles. Give that a nice little stir. At this time, we can add in our edamame. And we can add in a few of the green snap peas. Now that we let that sit and rehydrate all the way, now we're just gonna plate it up.
You wanna make sure you get your noodles and all of your goodies in first into your bowl, and then you'll be able to top with your broth.
And then of course, you always gotta dress it up at the end. Take a few of these green snap peas, get your little color on top. And we also have some of these sriracha roasted cashews.
So Chef, now it's time for our favorite part of the whole entire episode where we get a chance to taste. Chef, this is phenomenal. You get all the light and bright flavors from the kombucha, and then the beef rehydrated slightly. Even you can shop in a pod too and find a great meal. Come visit us and we'll see you next time in Cooking in a Cave.